Do y'all wanna know what I bought today? Hey investors and lemonade drinkers, I'm M.A. Hilson. Today, I joined the lemonade party. That's right, I became a new shareholder of Lemonade. Please welcome me to your party. Now, Lemonade is a technology insurance company which I've been loving ever since they debuted. I've just been never able to, finish my research and buy at a reasonable price until now. And so today I'll be talking about the position I started into this company and my opinions on it as well. Let's take a look at Motley Fool's article on why Lemonade stock is down today. Quarterly numbers were better than expected, but some troubling trends and the acquisition of Metromile is weighing heavily on investors' mind. So what? Let's take a look at the numbers. Their active premium coverage has gone up to $347 million, increase of 84% year over year. And on the other hand, their revenue up about 100% year over year to 35.7 million, beating guidance. We also know that Lemonade Car, one of its most exciting products released last week, and the company is showing it's going to go all in, literally all in, to buy Metromile. And with that, they bought it for $500 million in an all-stock deal. It's important to note that Metromile has about $200 million in cash. So you can say they bought the company for about $300 million. So what's important about that? Well, first off, results beat expectations in the quarter, but management didn't raise its full year active premium guidance at all. Secondly, gross loss ratio was something to really be aware of. It went up to 77% compared to 72% last year. And management highlighted that newer products have better loss ratios. But Lemonade products are actually written using AI, which means AI should be really improving the profitability, right? And lastly, management is excited about its deal in Metromile because it adds customers and data into its AI network. But it's also important to note out that Metromile's second quarter net loss of $48 million, it's almost as big as Lemonade, despite it being a much smaller business. So when you look at it, two unprofitable companies, right? And the biggest narrative in the next few years is how are you able to integrate it perfectly and well so both companies will generate money somehow. It's important to note that Metromile is working in 49 US states, whereas Lemonade Car has only one. So this move actually, which I feel is the biggest reason for them buying into Metromile, is that it will help out launch Lemonade's car insurance much more successfully. Okay? Now, for its products, renter's insurance, homeowner's insurance, car, pet, term, life, I feel like most of its customers being a Gen Z and millennial, once you get yourself using these products, you kind of have a very loyal, I guess in a way, personality to it. A loyal fan base to it. It's not like you're probably gonna not use it anymore and switch to another insurance company for better benefits. Really rarely. And this is something you could recommend to your friends, family, coworkers, whatever it may be. Brings a lot of social impact to the world as well with these products. And you have to really take a look at Lemonade Car, which will be their main primary driver of revenue in the years ahead. So love to see how well they can integrate Metromile into the system. First off, I actually started my position in Lemonade really small because I figured out most of the time when I buy something, usually it drops, okay? It's important to just go small and buy in more when it's at a much lower price to average cost. That's what I learned. So I started off really small, just 30 shares at this price. How does it fit into my portfolio? Making it very, very diversified now. I really love this addition. It's only about 3.52% of my entire portfolio. I can see this being as high as 20%. I can see it building to that part. And so I really like the company, the services. Obviously, there's lots of things to be aware of, especially on its expenses and its future profitability. But that's the risk I am willing to take. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Let me know why you are invested in Lemonade. Or if you're not, tell me why as well. As always, thank you much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.